Happy Weigh In Sunday, everyone. It's here again, isn't it? So this is going to be a really fast video because it is my grandson's 14th birthday party today, and we've got a lot going on. So I weighed in today. I didn't weigh in all week because I wasn't doing really great. So as we recall, last week I was at 139. Well, I'm at 141. Oh my God, I went up 2 pounds, you guys. But again, this weekend was my grandson's birthday, and I haven't been following OMAD because we've been eating together and just doing stuff and out and about and drinking Pepsi. Oh my God, you guys. So I'm probably going to splurge today too because we're having people over for his birthday. But tomorrow I'm back on track, and I fully expect to be back in the 130s on next weigh-in video. So I failed miserably, but I'm not worried about it, and nor should you be if you gained, because we all know it happens. We slide off, we get back on, and that's kind of where I'm at. I slid off, but I'm going to get back on. I did good most of the week. It's just Thursday, Friday, and Saturday I did not do good at all. And the scale proved it for me this morning. So yeah, I got to get serious again starting tomorrow morning, and I will. I absolutely will. The challenge was over that we did that ended on the 15th. So it ended last week, and some people made progress, some did not. Some made progress but didn't hit their goals. And you know what? Progress is progress. So for every pound you go down, you're winning. You're winning this challenge. So be proud of that. For those of you who don't know me, I'm sorry, my name is Debbie. I do Debbie OMAD. I've been doing OMAD for about a year and a half now. All total, I think I lost like close to 75 pounds. And then I've gone up and gone back down a little bit, but my goal is still 130, and I will get there. And I've been doing intermittent fasting, which is mainly OMAD, which is eating 1 meal a day. And like I said, this weekend, not so much, but I will get back to it starting tomorrow morning. So hopefully next week's video will be much better news. That would be good. All right, like I said, keeping this short and sweet. Got a lot going on today. But post below how you guys are doing, where are you at on your journey, and also join us on Facebook, Debbie OMAD. We will do this together. And of course, like and subscribe and share. Okay, love you guys. And I will try and post later this week because this one was so short. In fact, I'll try and do a live maybe on Wednesday. Okay, love you. See you Wednesday.